Jacob's gonna start welding on our hinges, and then we'll be able to tack it in place up on the container and see how this baby works. Yeah, so right here, so what we're doing, we got them laid out. You're just gonna clamp that sucker down and weld it up, huh?
Yes, sir.
Big day. I'm out of breath. We've been carrying these big ass doors. Actually, that one's a little bit bigger, like a foot bigger. So today I'm gonna walk you around and show you what we've done to prep it and get it ready. And today we're gonna tack weld them in and see how the hinges are and the fitting is. So come take a look. All right, so here we have it. We've got our hinges right there. We've got 4 of them. Bam, 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 on each door. And then we're gonna put this door up in here, and then we're gonna shim it up because we have a 1/4 inch reveal all the way around. And then we're gonna tack weld our hinges to here, just so we can kind of play with our fitting. I'll take you around to the other side, this back side of the window, but that has an awning, so it will open up like that, and show you what we're gonna do there. So this is all welded in. Those are, what are they called, Jacob? Rolling hinges?
Barrel hinges. Barrel hinges.
So we have 2 of those. So essentially one side of the barrel we welded to the frame, and then the other one the frame of the awning, and the other one we're gonna weld to the frame of the window. And then we'll be able to lift that up. Here you can kind of see we got a 1/4 inch on the side. Right now we got a 1/2 inch on the top and a 1/4 on that side, but we're gonna shim this bottom up so that we have an equal reveal all the way around. Okay, so we got the barrel hinges welded up, and then we've just got the top, I guess you'd call it like a rain diverter, like a little lip on the top tacked up. So we're in the place before we weld everything off. We want to check it out and see how it performs. So we're going to remove the magnets and the shims that were temporarily holding it. I'll go inside and push it up, and we'll see how well it works, and you'll see it with us. I gotta say, man, this is pretty badass.
Yeah, buddy, it is.
Like that level of craftsmanship. Awesome. Okay.
Okay. Oh, we got to take off the magnets. I'll go in there and make it easy on it. Okay. Yeah, I really should have pushed it out when I had it tacked, just to make sure. But I'm pretty confident.
Yeah! Dude, that is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh man, that is so cool. Yeah, and you could have like some little personalized thing on here, like art.
You could put a sign or something. Yeah.
Sign. Oh, dude, that's so awesome for somebody who used it for like an office or something.
Yeah.
This could be facing the street.
Yeah.
Dude, that is so ideal.
Oh yeah. The welding bit.
Yeah.
Is the part where I'm like in nirvana.
Oh, right.
It's all of the everything else. I mean, it's fun, but it's just not the same.
Right.
Because it requires so much more thinking.
Right.
When I'm welding, it's just like I'm melting.
Yeah, you're in your mode. Yeah.
Yeah.
This looks so good.
Yeah. Coffee, baby.
So awesome.
Coffee.
He can always fix it, son.
Oh, you got this. There you go. Go to town.
Oh.
Yep. Hell yeah. Solid tack, baby. Nice job.
That's it.
Nice job.
Oh, that is really good. Way to go, buddy.
See, he's a natural, man.
Professional grade.
He's a nut. He's a nut. He's a nut.
Oh, then you're going to go back and do the top ones? Yeah. So awesome, Jacob.
Oh, us. Just hand.
Yeah?
Yeah, baby. It's just the way my
I thought you were
mama
going to
made
break
me.
out into song or
The
something.
way my mama made me. Yeah.
See, I knew it. Nice. That looks awesome.
Do it. Come on. Booyah! Heck yeah.
Moment of truth, baby. Oh, yeah. Dude.
Ow!
Look at that.
Yeah!
Awesome. So, oh man, that feels so good. And look at the smoothness of it. That is so awesome. So if we should, yeah.
So is it touching the plate or the...
It's like barely touching the plate. Maybe like a small 16th that might have settled. But
Nice.
actually that's good because that's where the high point is at the top, Jacob.
Yeah.
Right here from there is where it gets tight. So even if it does drop,
Right.
that actually would be ideal.
Cool.
Both sides a teeny bit.
Okay.
Sweet.
Like it.
Rock and roll.
Nice job, baby. Woo!
That is awesome. Okay, now we're beefing up this top piece with some angle iron so we can have dance parties on top.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, look at that little system. That's awesome.
I'll make it happen.
I can hold whatever you need to. Keeping it up. Oh, dude, that looks so good up there. I'm so glad we put that up there tonight. That looks awesome. There's Jacob working all day and night.
Right.
Yeah. Looking so good. And Zeta. Zeta, yeah. Oh, you want to play? Come on. Come on. What? Come on. Yeah. Good job. Crazy guy. Today. We're getting close to being done with the metal fabrication. So that is our opening right now. We are basically creating a frame within this frame that'll come in about 6 inches. Well, 5 inches on the side and 6 inches on the top. And what that's gonna do is allow for our sliding glass door to sit inside of these doors, because when these doors shut, they're flush with the outside. So we're building the frame inside right now so that when this shuts, you know, it has about a ½ inch, well, a ¼ inch actual door will start. So we're now out of angle iron building a new frame for that to sit in. We'll have a nice place to put our door in, and we'll still be able to close the doors. Enjoy. Now we are heating the top angle iron up to move it up a little bit more. Will it settle?
Higher than we want. That way it'll settle down. When it's done.
Like you? Settle down, Jacob.
Settle down, Phil.
Yeah.
Settle down.
Okay, check it out. We got Easton over here cutting pieces. Oh yeah. Getting the frame ready for the window. We got to build the window frame out to deal with the thickness of the window. We got Jacob welding up the badass header, throwing sparks on me. So this is what Easton is cutting right now. See, we're essentially going to just tack weld this in so the window can sit in here and we can foam it in and everything, and then we'll come back with a chain channel after the window's in and weld a little channel to hold the window in. So it has a cool industrial look to it. So that's what we're up to. Check that out. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, buddy.
This has become quite the awesome fabrication. Check out how we did this. So this frame is for this door to set back in. This is for the glass door to sit in so that this can shut and be flush with the outside. So we can still ship this. And then we just have a filler piece right here to put that gap. And then we did the top, and then we got a thicker piece that he's welding in just to help support and beef up that top. Because we're awesome like that. Huh, Easton? Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Clean it up. Cool.
We got this all done. Working all night. Look at this. Oh yeah, getting well at night. Look at them, they're too busy. Being awesome. Yeah, that was a great dance. Dude. Doing some welding.
Nice. Love it.
Building this container. Easton's in there welding with Jacob. It's so cool to think what all can come of all this crazy, awesome fun. All right, back on the container. We're wrapping up a little bit of welding stuff. I'll walk around and show you what we got going on today. Okay, we got Jacob. He's just finishing up welding the back side of that header. And then we gotta weld a little bit down here. And then we're gonna take this bad boy and we're gonna weld it essentially visually like that on the top, so it has a little rain diverter. But if you can see that little lip, and what that does is that little lip allows the water to drop off in front of it. And then I'm taking this bad boy and we're going to mount it up under here, drill the hole so that essentially you can pull this pin down, and then we'll drill a hole into there so that this, when it's traveling, you can have the pin up in there when it's closed to secure it. There's Jacob. Boop, boop. Okay, want to see how awesome it is? Boop, whoop, whoop, boop, boop. There it is from the inside. It's a little spring loaded. Give it a push down. Show them how it works. Show the people how it works.
It works!
Cool. So this essentially is how it works. See how there's a hole up in there? See that? Then it stays shut. We'll have a picture window on the inside. That's why we ended up doing this spring loaded on the outside. So cool. Not what?
About that.
What, about the or the rust on the roof?
Yes?
I know, it's warranted.
No.
The zombie apocalypse.
I'm gonna go change so I can come out and work the well.
Okay. Good. That's a great welding outfit. It already has holes in the legs.
And
Looks like you've burned a bunch of holes in there.
I gotta go put on some Carhartts.
Yeah. Burning the midnight oil, yeah. Look at this. You guys ready for some pizza?
I'm ready to get warm. I'm freezing.
I know, it's crazy how it's getting cold. So Kira and Jacob are literally in the background putting on the last welded piece. A little 1-inch drip over the doors. It's like a little metal flat bar that we angled that we're gonna weld in place just so the water coming off done. And then all the welding except for maybe a few tweaks here and there of like added stuff, security stuff, little stuff like that. Oh, and then when we do the solar. But other than that, he's gonna pack up and we have welding complete.